So a basic catfishing rig is going to be called a basic slip rig. And so what we do with that, build that, we take our main line, which this line here is going to be attached to the reel. We add a egg sinker to that. We tie that to a barrel swivel. Then to the barrel swivel, we attach a leader. You can make this as long as or as short as you need. And then you attach it to a hook of your choice. Here we've got a circle hook. So again, a basic slip rig is going to be egg sinker attached to your main line tied to the barrel swivel. Barrel swivel has a leader attached, and at the end of that leader you will tie on your hook. We can improve on this rig by creating what's called an improved slip rig. So what we'll do then is we'll take our main line, we'll slip on a bell sinker this time through the eyelet there, tie the main line onto the barrel swivel. Barrel swivel then has a leader attached to that, and then we have our hook. So again, the improved slip rig is main line, bell, weight, barrel swivel, leader, and then hook.